Living seems so hard for me today. You were taken from me away. There are no answers near, no answer, no reason why, but I can find no matter how hard I try. I went fishing for answers in the storm. Ended up casting all my cares upon the Lord. Why does life have to be so full of pain? I ask questions like that when I'm fishing for answers in the pouring rain. My faith is that you are in the arms Jesus today. Nothing can hurt you again. Nothing can hurt you again. I went fishing for answers in the storm. And I ended up casting all my cares upon the Lord. Still wondering why life has to be so full of pain. I always ask questions like that when I'm fishing for answers in pouring rain. I always ask questions like that when I'm fishing for answers in the pouring rain.